Hello guys, let's go for it. Okay, I say to you how to delete column to DataFrame Python Pandas for the exercise in the last lesson. Okay, now let's see how to do it. It's going to be really annoying. I don't know why. Okay, just go with it. It said drop. We can use drop. Let's see how. File dot drop, for example, sum. Run. Wait a little. It don't work. Let's open Chrome again and search how to delete column from DataFrame. You can again, similar to how you use the drop method again. Okay, let's see what this site gives us. Dot drop. It says we can DataFrame dot drop. Let's go to its example. Its columns drop views. Okay, let's write it like it does. Copy date. File dot drop, for example, 1. We don't want to drop C. Okay, run. And as you can see, it dropped 1 and it has 11, and we can save it. A, and now it's stored in the A. Okay, it's really easy to work with these data frames, but it's important to know how to work. One of the things we need to know how to work is how to save the things we do in our CSV file. And we write how to storage our data frame, change in pandas in CSV. In pandas, you can save a data frame to a CSV file, use def to CSV. Okay, let's just copy it and see if it is right or not. We copy it and put it down here. Let's run this line again. Okay, def is for data frame. Our data frame now is file. Okay, index through your CSV file. Our CSV file is LL. Okay, it must save the file to our CSV file. Let's go and see it saves or not. As you can see, it saves and added some to our CSV file. But one of the most important things you must know, if the CSV file is open, this command don't run. Let's see. Our CSV file is open and then we run it. It gave us error. And this error, why this error? Because if the file is open, the permission is denied. We can't change this file. Okay, for now we close it and run it again. Let's go to top. And as you can see, the code has run successfully. Okay, what I want to tell you next, you learn how to save and work with your CSV file. Also, you can save your columns. For example, let's create a new cell. So we create a list. Let's see how we can save our columns. Okay, print type list. Panda core. Okay, we want to save it as a list. Go and search how to storage our data frame column as a list. Array, we don't want array as a list for now. To list by using series values to list. Okay, we say files.1 to list. As you can see, this is the answer. Now we save the data in the list. You learn a little about pandas. If we want, we can give a full course of 40 or 80 hours in pandas, but we don't want to do this. We want to give you some intermediate information. The programming is just about, as in Nemo said, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep coding and searching, just keep coding and searching until you gain the value you want. For now, let's see what I want to tell you about pandas. For now, it's enough. We know enough about pandas. In the next lesson, we will go and learn how to use pandas and something we have to create a project. And in this project, we are going to use Excel, CSV, and Pandas and Python. In the next lesson, I will describe the project for you. Have a good day.